Hi, I'm Jake, the DIY guy. Today I'm going to walk you through the Jasco Z-Wave in-wall smart switch quick start guide. In this quick start guide, we'll review the installation and the setup. But first things first, let's familiarize ourselves with the parts of the switch. The two black terminals are your load and your line terminals. The line terminal is your hot wire. That connects your switch to the power. The load wire connects your switch to the lighting. The silver terminal is for your neutral. That's where your neutral lines will be hooked in. That's normally a bundle of white wires in the back of your switch box. And the green terminal is for your ground wire, which is commonly bare copper wire in the switch location. Now the gold terminal covered with a piece of insulation tape, that is the traveler terminal. This is where you would attach the traveler wire for use with the GE add-on switch for 3- or 4-way control of your lighting. If you're not installing the switch in a 3- or 4-way installation, be sure to leave the insulation tape on the terminal. The first step to installing your switch is to shut the power to the circuit off at the circuit box or the fuse box. Now remove the wall plate. You can remove the mounting screws. Now carefully remove the switch, making sure you don't disconnect the wires in the process. You should see 3 terminals: line, load, and ground. At this point, you should label all of those wires. Once labeled, you can carefully remove the wires from the device. If they're plugged into the back, just turn the device back and forth and they'll pop out. Now you're ready to install your new smart control. Put the bare copper wire in the green terminal. Take the wire marked load and install it in the load terminal. Take the wire marked line and put it into the line terminal. Push it all the way in so the bare wire is covered. Once that has been completed, you need to install the neutral. Look for the neutral wires in the back of the box. They should be bundled together under a wire nut. Undo that wire nut, then take a length of wire and add that to those 2 wires and secure the nut back on top. Now take the white neutral and put it on the silver neutral terminal. Make sure your device has the arrow pointed up and push the wires back into the box. Then secure the device with the screws. Once the device has been installed, you can put on the cover plate. Now we can restore the power so we can test our system. Live life smart with Z-Wave lighting controls from Jasco.